I have to, I have to actually ask you this. Do you actually remember the first time that they actually chanted Sachin in India? Like when this entire, I know what this talk about the cricketers, but this rhythmic chant of Sachin, Sachin, do you remember the time when it actually started?
My mother would do that. And I would be playing downstairs in the building and I wouldn't want to come home. So that's when my mother would go, Sachin, Sachin. Upar aa jao.
And just before I talk a little bit more of the song, this most adorable picture of yours. In all my history books, somehow I've never managed to find out the story. This little baby shot of you with the bat in his hand. What's the story of this one? You know, this, I mean, yeah, you have to change the frame on this. But yeah, this shot. This is like the cutest shot of you of all time. The story of
This
this.
was actually taken at home when I was playing cricket with my brother. This was in the balcony and nothing. You can see my grip, still bottom-handed grip. So
Yeah, were you a good cricketer at this time as well? Were you being able to,
I was only 4 or 5.
and
only
still the,
four, I think,
the
yeah.
positioning of the bat and the feet are still the perfect position right now.
I wouldn't say so. थोड़े बहुत changes हो गए उसके बाद मगर what you know I enjoyed was hitting the ball and be it a cricket bat or a tennis racket. My brother would chuck tennis balls at me and few of them I would hit with tennis racket and few of them with cricket bat.
And you'd break most of the things in the house.
No, by then we had moved out of the house because I had started breaking too many windows.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this film is going to be coming out. I know this one last question I would like to ask you. Very difficult to put your life into 2 hours. It's more a process of elimination from the director to the writers. It probably is going to be very, very difficult because we'll all want so much more because everyone seems to know everything about you. And that's what James said. There's another part of you that is going to be shown, Sachin the person. Was that also interesting to actually watch when you were watching it being made or, when they were discussing it? Because everything else we seem to know. It's all there on statistics and we watch.
No, you guys don't know everything. That's why this movie, because there are so many moments, the footage that we've been able to capture and take the footage from my personal account at home. It stays in the locker, but that footage nobody had access to. That footage was only for the family and no one else. So being a private person, I had to kind of balance that out. I know my fans want to know more about me and I want to also get closer to them and show the other side of me, what they have not seen. But then it was also up to the family कि कहाँ तक हम आगे ले जा सकते हैं इसको कि we had to meet that point where both of us were comfortable. The fans were happy and we were also comfortable sharing that. So we've been able to do that in this movie. So you will see a lot of things which nobody has seen or heard about.
रवि ऑफ लेट बहुत सारी अभी स्पोर्ट्स पे फिल्में बनने लगी हैं, तो किसी तरह की एप्रीहेंशन थी जब आप सचिन फिल्म बना रहे थे? साल में 2-3 फिल्में आजकल आ ही जा रही हैं स्पोर्ट्स पर, तो आपको लगता है कि कोई एप्रीहेंशन था आपके मन में जब भी आप सचिन बना रहे थे? ऑब्वियसली सचिन जैसा कोई नहीं है, फिर भी मैं ये सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे।
नहीं, हमने तो 2012 से चालू कर दिया ना, तब तक तो कोई फिल्म आई नहीं थी। हम तो अभी 2-3 साल से सब फिल्म आ रही है, हम तो 2012 से काम कर रहे हैं इसमें। सो we wanted to do it, so that's what. I don't think there's any apprehension of making, as in he's a unique subject, so there's a unique film.
Hi Rahman, this here. Rahman, if I can ask in Hindi, जानना चाहूँगा आपसे कि is there any quality with which you identify yourself with Sachin? Like, if you can say something about that.
Everybody finds something common. I don't know what it is, but I think both of us look young, the same height, I think. But I find a kind of patriotism in his approach, and that's the reason I did Hind Mere Jind. And when Irshad gave me this coinage of Hind Mere Jind, I first thought that I should use this in this film, and it was not even conceived. So I played it to Ravi, and he liked it, and then played it to James, and James liked it, and then that song I wanted to sing also. So because it's Sachin's movie, and I wanted to be a part of it, even my voice.
Thank you so much.
रहमान जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि ये जो सचिन 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 एक एंथम बना हुआ है, इसे गाने में बनाना कितना डिफिकल्ट या आसान था और कितना चैलेंजिंग था, अगर आप कुछ बताओ.
It's a challenge because you never have a chant as a chorus. It's just like almost like Carmina Burana, where people are shouting in a stadium kind of thing, and how much can you take that? So when I was working with this, I found those 4 chords and I put this chorus on top, and then some magic happened. People are saying they're getting gooseflesh, and I said, okay, now it's on. So that actually helped us. The basic foundation of this song was that. And then we had differences for what kind of, we wanted to try something more Latin or, something very peppy. And finally came to this one, which is, it's got the right tone, I feel. With the right voice, and Irshadji gave those beautiful lyrics.
Hi, I'm
On the right.
there. Renuka from Bombay Times. I would like to ask James a question. How difficult was it to not get into idol worship while making a film on Sachin? How could you be objective, or how, as someone who follows cricket? Will we also see a lot of times a biopic runs into being a film which is just talks about the positive things? But in this film, have you tried to look beyond it?
Yeah, I mean, obviously it's a film and it wants to be an emotional drama, and we want to understand Sachin and his life and his challenges. So for me, the art of it is putting in the lows as well as the highs, really. And we try and chart that journey and graph that journey emotionally, because the reward of the highs and the ecstasy of the great moments is so much less unless you've seen from how low the hero of the movie has been. So, Sachin is an incredible figure, and it has a huge amount of positivity around him. But I try to really get inside the man, really, and show what his struggles were and his own periods of darkness, really, so that we could. I mean, I want people to go to the movie and see it as being there on that journey with Sachin as intimately as possible. They're stood next to him as he faces the challenges that come in his life, and so that's what we really try to push on, just so that you feel more, you feel deeper.
Just one more question. How difficult was it to work with Rahman sir and Sachin, since both of them barely talk?
Well, actually, they both talk quite a lot in my experience, but there was nothing difficult at all. I mean, I was blessed, I think, is the only way to describe it. Blessed to have, as I said before, two geniuses, and little old me and big old Ravi. So.
Thank you so much. And by the way, I'd like to add to that, Sachin Tendulkar actually talks a lot. So if you actually do an interview with him, make sure it's one-on-one, it'll be forever. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It was my pleasure, and thank you so much, gentlemen. It was really our pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
James,
Yes, sorry.
one last question.
Right, okay, sorry. While we're on the move,
Okay,
go ahead.
Second last. There are 2 questions.
Second last. We're really stretching it now.
Yeah, last question.
Yeah.
James, where does the movie end in terms of Sachin's career? Like, does it end at the World Cup, or?
No, you'll
I
have
know
to see
it's
the
really-
film. I'll answer that question.
Yeah,
Please
yeah.
see the film.
Yeah.
It started in 2012, so after it happened, we'll watch it, buddy. Thanks so much.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
बात